It's late fall here. All these red maples are still green. Stuff's just now starting to turn. I'm not going to get very good fall color this year. The older red maples have already started turning, a few leaves falling off. It's a good time to prune. Small pruning. Not pruning this guy though. Trying to get this trunk fatter. Without overly thickening this base here. It's doing good. I like how it's growing. I want it to get way thicker than its brother over here. Had a lot of shoots come out after the major leader cutback. Been working on it a lot this year, trimming it back about 2 times during the growing season. A little bit of defoliation, a little bit of cuts here and there. Got somewhat of a structure here. Didn't want to put too many. Don't want to make the branches too bendy. Want them to match the trunk. Scars are healing. These little small buds I'll be pinching in the spring. I pretty much treat it like a regular Acer pomatum care wise. Grows similar. Everybody got his spot. This leader I'm not cutting. I want to thicken this branch up. Once this guy thickens up, I'll cut back to these 2 little buds here. Get a nice bifurcation. Needs to be stronger than these other branches I have wired up right now. Yeah, inner length in between the node here and the bottom isn't very good. It's too long. Probably won't use that. You can see here the method to my madness. Trying to get to those back buds. But I still leave a little bit in front, a couple buds in front of the ones I want to get back to. Make sure it doesn't die past the ones I want. Next year we'll get back to them, depending on the strength. Looking good. It's very wet. It's been pretty overcast. Fucking moss is gaining ground. Chop's almost healed up. I'm gonna put a thread graft right through this callus. Probably right in between the big chop and the little chop. Looks like a good spot right there. And up here. definitely there. Fill in this backside. Also got to get rid of that root. It's messing up my circular root base. Repot in the spring. I'll definitely be that's the first thing I'm chopping back. Fused with the other side too. Got to go. When are we gonna chop this sacrifice off? Let's start working on the top of this guy. Sometime. There's a hawthorn been working on. Cut back some of the growing tips on this one. Let's start compressing it. Didn't do much to this branch, but twist it. Boom, came out nice. Got some strong buds. I'll wire this hawthorn up next. The leaves, couple more leaves start falling off. Another one out the woods. Flowering pear. Pears look like they've got some, gonna have some pretty good fall color. Sand pear. I like these leaves too. Picked up a red chochobai. This one's 4 years old from Left Coast Bonsai. Super healthy. Thought I'd mess around with these guys a little bit. See how they grow in my environment. Got nice little red flowers. Also got another little chochobai. This one's a 1-year-old cutting. A salmon flower from Evergreen Garden Works.